I don't know why I keep saying thank you.
Natural.
Let's see. Hello you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So this week when I was walking around the street with my friend collecting some pipe friends for our laundry, I came across this beautiful bush that was dry and it was so organic, and then immediately I had an idea because I'm going to be making a bedroom makeover for her. So we came up with this idea to actually create something like a light of some sort. Well, it is a light. So it was so beautiful, we decided that okay, we need to just take it and then create this beautiful DIY. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember one thing, tell your friends to tell their friends that we're doing DIYs on the cheap side, and remember to subscribe, like the video and share if you may. Thank you. So this is what I found on the streets and I really fell in love with it. I really felt like it was just gonna go with what I wanted for that bedroom, since we're going for the natural tone. So basically this is an extra light cover that we had, so I just decided to go ahead and draw a guideline. This is where I'm gonna cut it into half, and it's just the plastic, it's not really a glass. Well, a friend of mine thought that it was a glass, but no, it's actually a plastic. So I just used my small cutter to just cut it in half. I didn't mind about the lines being straight or not, because basically what I just wanted is a guideline. So you can just go ahead and cut yours in half. Once you have it in half, the plan was to spray paint it because I didn't really like the white that's on it. So I just took it outside and spray painted it black. This is one of the Rust-Oleum products. I bought mine at Buco. Once it's fully covered, you just need to let it dry for some time, and it's not going to take that long. And on the next step, I just wanted to see how will I fit my bush into that part of the light. So I went ahead by cutting the very edge of it because I knew for a fact that it was not going to hang if I just left it there. So I went on by using my hot glue gun to stick on the branches onto the bulb shade. You will just have to be generous with your hot glue gun because you don't want these branches falling on top of you when you are sleeping. So once it's dry, you just need to continue by adding more hot glue gun until it's fully secured. Branches for all of them to be stuck onto the shade, light shade or lamp shade, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see now, I was left with a few that I had to stuck on it, but I just wanted to see how it's gonna look